Hi there, this is Clara, the founder of 20 Lash. I'm here to give you a quick word about lash training. When I first started as a lash artist, I watched hours and hours of videos, paid for many online trainings, and read a whole lot about lash extensions. While doing those things did help me, it wasn't until I took my first actual hands-on training that I really was shown the proper way to do many of the things that I was doing right, and of course the things that I was doing wrong. Now, there are many lash trainings popping up left and right, everywhere you look. But how do you know which one is best for you? Well, let me remind you that this is not something that anyone can just pick up without being shown the proper ways. I personally know several trainings being offered by individuals or companies that have never even taken one formal lash training, yet they are teaching their self-taught methods. This is great for some, but like I've learned over the years, some people have higher standards for what they expect when they spend their money like I do. I have invested very heavily in learning from the best of the best in the world, from as far as Russia, Kazakhstan, Norway, plus more. I have made it a point to take the best part of each training that I have been to and compiled all of that knowledge into my trainings that I deliver to you right here in the Bay Area. This is such a new industry, especially in the US, which is why I made it a point to learn from experts in countries that have pioneered this art. What I like to provide in my hands-on training is what I wish I had when I first started out lashing. I literally take my students by the hands if needed and show them how to do what they need to do. I have taught lash artists with 10 plus years of experience under their belt, and I have also taught individuals that have never even picked up one lash extensions before in their life. So whether experienced or inexperienced, you want to make sure that your lash trainer has the qualifications that bring value to you and your business. Not all lash trainings are created equal. So my word of advice to you or to anyone searching for lash extensions training is make sure to check out the company you will be giving your money to. Check their reviews, their websites, their social media, and whatever else you can find so that you can make the best decision with your dollars and your time. Thank you for listening and happy lashing. Looking forward to meeting you.